Withdrawing money from Wealthfront is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log in. Open the Wealthfront app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to Transfers. Go to the Transfer section, usually found on the dashboard or under the Account settings. This section manages both deposits and withdrawals. Select Withdrawal option. Choose the option to withdraw or transfer funds from your Wealthfront account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one. Choose Destination Account. Select the external bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. If your bank account is not already linked, you will need to add and verify it by providing routing and account numbers. Enter amount. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you have sufficient cash available in your Wealthfront account, as withdrawals cannot exceed your available balance. Review and confirm. Check the details of your withdrawal request, including the amount and destination account. Confirm the request to initiate the transfer. Wait for processing. Withdrawals typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Monitor your bank account to ensure the funds arrive.